Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special project. I received some metal dies from Inlovearts. I will be putting their information in the information box below. Be sure and check them out, and I will probably have some coupon codes for you as well. So I just showed you the little booklet that I made from this die. Actually, it's two dies. This one has the little ridges at the front there and the top, and the other one does not. It's just a flat. And I really loved using these dies because it made it very easy. I'm sure there's a lot of different ways to use it, but the way I used it is with the double-sided paper, and it made it really quick and easy, so I love that. Now I am using the embellishments that I made to kind of not just decorate this little book, but rather for a place to put them. So it's kind of a little embellishment book, if you will. And I thought it came out really cute. So here I am showing you kind of my process of how I decorated it, and at the same time used it as, like I said, a place to store my embellishments. And so yeah, right now I'm kind of just trying different things on here, and I had made different kinds of embellishments, and so I will also put that video in the comments below or in the description box, so that you will be able to see how I made some of these embellishments. So yeah, I'm just kind of trying on different things, and I tend to navigate towards some kind of a collection, mainly the Maggie Holmes, and so I end up using a variety of collections from Maggie Holmes, and a few other things too. But I think I don't know why I'm so attracted to the Maggie Holmes stuff. I really love their stuff. So, and also I like that each collection of Maggie Holmes kind of goes with the other, so that's really helpful. And especially when you have such a busy situation going on, because there's definitely very busy. There's a lot going on here, so it is a little makes it a little challenging to choose what to put on the pages, because it is very busy. And but yeah, like I said, I found that using a lot of the Maggie Holmes stuff was helpful, because they all those colors and tones seem to go with each other. So now the pages that I used are they're not Maggie Holmes at all, in fact. And there's different collections there. I think one of them is She's Magic, which I love, and I think there's some Damask, maybe Damask Love. And so there's that, and like I said, I'm kind of figuring out where these different embellishments go. I'm very happy that I made them so layered, particularly the fact that even though I made them fairly layered, they're not so layered that that I can't put it in this little book. But I think what made it easy to put in this book is the little rings that I put on there, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And so in case you're wondering where I got that, so yeah, it was really easy to make this little book, the base of it, using those dies. And like I said, if you use the double-sided tape double-sided paper, it's even easier, because then you got front and back and a pocket or two ready to go. And so you can mix and match the pockets. And I think the way the die is, it has kind of where you can layer the pocket, but I didn't really do that. to this one because I wanted to just go ahead and put it together pretty quick. I can always go back and embellish it some more. But here is a cute little tassel that I had already made probably about a couple months ago, and it was just perfect. So I just opened up that ring and put that little lobster clasp through it, and I closed it up. And so I thought that came out really cute. I love the charm. Made that little felt bow, put some of that little jewelry in there, that puffy heart, and just a little tassel. There's like a little, it looks kind of like leather, but it's not. And then you got a little pearl, little pink pearl, and a clear bead. And let's see here, yeah, there's that vintage button that I put a little cabochon on, and again the little tassel that I got I think it was Tuesday morning, and then the little white pearl button, vintage. So be sure and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of the Paper Kitty family. I encourage you to do that. I'm always so thankful for your time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Love you so much. Love you so much. Here's